Imagine this. You're in your 40s. You've worked hard for years, maybe even decades. You've got responsibilities, mortgage, kids, bills, college savings, maybe even credit card debt. And retirement, it feels far away, maybe too far. Here's the truth. Most people in their 40s believe it's already too late to become a millionaire. They look at their paycheck, their savings account, and think, I'll never catch up. But that's where they're wrong. Because if you make the right moves right now in your 40s, you can still retire in your 50s with $1 million portfolio. Not by winning the lottery, not by working 80 hours a week, but by following proven financial strategies that smart investors use every single day. In this video, I'm going to break down the 7 most important things you must do in your 40s if you want to retire a millionaire in your 50s. These aren't get-rich-quick tips. They are practical, data-backed, and based on real-life case studies. And if you stick with me until the end, you'll not only know the exact steps, but you'll also see why your 40s might actually be the best time to start building serious wealth. So grab a coffee, turn up the volume, and let's dive into step number 1. Get serious about retirement contributions. Most 40-year-olds aren't saving enough. The average 401k balance for people in their 40s is just around $60,000 to $80,000 according to Fidelity. That's not enough to retire in your 50s. If you don't fix this, you'll work until your 70s. Inflation is eating into your money, and Social Security alone won't save you. Start maxing out your 401k or Roth IRA. In 2025, you can contribute up to $23,000 per year in a 401k plus catch-up contributions once you hit 50-50. If your company offers a match, never leave free money on the table. That's an instant 100% return. Automate your savings. If you make $100,000 a year, putting away just 20%, that's $20,000 annually, invested in index funds could grow to over $1 million by your mid-50s thanks to compounding. Someone who starts saving $1,500 a month at age 40 could realistically reach $1 million by 55 with an average 8% stock market return. Step 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt is the biggest wealth killer. The average American household carries over $6,000 in credit card debt with interest rates above 20%. That interest is compounding against you. Every dollar you send to Visa or MasterCard is one less dollar invested for your future. Attack credit card debt first using the avalanche method. Highest interest first. Refinance student loans if possible. If you have a mortgage, consider whether extra payments could save you tens of thousands over the next decade. Think of debt repayment as an investment with guaranteed returns. Paying off a 20% credit card balance is the same as earning a risk-free 20% return. Step 3. Create multiple streams of income. Relying only on your paycheck is risky. If your job disappears, so does your income. Many in their 40s get stuck in the middle-class trap. Stable but stagnant. No new income streams, no investments, just paycheck to paycheck. Start a side hustle that scales. Consulting, freelancing, or digital products. Build passive income, rental properties, dividend stocks, royalties. Use your 40s to leverage your skills and experience. What can you teach, build, or sell? A 42-year-old engineer created an online course in his free time. By 50, his course was making $5,000 per month in passive income, equal to a $1.2 million portfolio at a 5% withdrawal rate. Step 4. Invest in real estate. Too many people only rely on stocks. That's one leg of the stool. Real estate is another proven path to wealth. Rent keeps rising. If you're only renting, you're funding someone else's retirement. Buy a rental property or house hack. Use leverage, the bank's money, wisely to multiply returns. Invest in REITs if you want exposure without being a landlord. Buying a $250,000 rental in your 40s that generates $400 cash flow monthly could give you an extra $48,000 over 10 years, on top of appreciation and tax benefits. Step 5. Prioritize health like it's wealth. Medical bills are the #1 cause of bankruptcy in the U.S. Bad health equals high expenses, plus less time to enjoy your money. Many people in their 40s ignore their health chasing money. Then they end up spending money to fix health problems later. Eat right, exercise, sleep well. Use an HSA, health savings account, if eligible. It's a triple tax advantage. Contributions, growth, and withdrawals are tax-free for medical expenses. Remember, wealth without health is meaningless. Step 6. Build a smart tax strategy. Taxes are your biggest lifetime expense, bigger than your mortgage or healthcare. If you don't plan, you'll lose hundreds of thousands over your lifetime. Use Roth accounts for tax-free growth. Take advantage of employer matches and HSAs. Consider real estate depreciation, capital gain strategies, and even starting a side business for tax deduction. Consider real estate depreciation, capital gain strategies, and even starting a side business for tax deductions. Work with a CPA who specializes in wealth-building strategies. Step 7. Surround yourself with the right people. Your environment influences your financial future more than you think. If everyone around you spends recklessly, complains about money, or believes becoming a millionaire is impossible, you'll probably believe it too. Join investor groups, masterminds, or online finance communities. Find mentors who are 10 to 20 years ahead of you financially. Teach your kids about money. Building generational wealth starts with you. Research shows that people who regularly discuss finances with mentors or peer groups save 3 times more for retirement than those who don't. Your 40s are not too late. In fact, they may be the best time to build wealth. You've got experience, earning power, and enough time for compounding to work. If you do these 7 things, max out retirement savings, crush debt, build multiple income streams, invest in real estate, protect your health, get smart on taxes, and surround yourself with the right people, you can set yourself up to retire a millionaire in your 50s. It's not about luck, it's about action. So the question is, are you ready to take these steps today, or will you wait until it's too late? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial strategies, and share this with a friend who's in their 40s and wants financial freedom, because the best gift you can give yourself and your family is a future where money is no longer a stress.